So we're about to leave the Menjangan. This is the Bali National Park. But now, we just have breakfast. Yan, si Berna. Ang aking magaling na driver. Yes, this is really an experience. And this is the Bali Tower.
You arrived at your destination.
Where we're going to have breakfast. And then leave for Seminyak. Okay, so today we're going to return that rented car of ours, and we'll be back to Grab. Yes, the best way to go around is Grab in Kuta and Seminyak. Ayun na si Berna. Okay, and here in Menjangan lifestyle retreat, you can have breakfast either in the beach or in this very famous Bali Tower. And we're gonna check out. This is where you check in and check out. This is a great place to stay if you love nature. And again, this is what you get every morning. Nice view of the national forest, and right there you can chill out. Nice chairs and nice tables to unwind. So it's breakfast time, and this is the bar where they serve drinks at 50% discount right before the sunset, right? And this place is called the Bali Tower Bistro. Mukhang kami lang yata mag-breakfast. Lahat tapos na mag-breakfast. Kasi most of the people here, they like having breakfast by the beach. But kami, because we're leaving already, we decided to try having breakfast here. Ayun yung aming rented car. May mga kumain pala. So meron ding gamamit ito for breakfast. So I think because I don't see any food, breakfast here must be a la carte. Is it a la carte?
Yes.
Oh, okay, a la carte. So breakfast here is the same as in the beach. These are the healthy choices. And then they have eggs and mains. Berna had eggs Florentine before. Ako eggs Benedict. Maybe I can try mee goreng. Excuse me, is mee goreng that's noodles?
Yes, noodles.
Mee goreng's noodles. Yes. Oh, nga pala. Okay. Wait a minute, huh? That woman is opening those bamboo curtains so we get a better view. Oh, ayan. Para may view kami. Inaayos to nung dalawa, oh. See? My wife is requesting more wind. So what is akar on my on the nasi goreng? What is akar? What does akar mean? Ano ba yung akar? Ano, hindi sila maka-English? Hindi alam niya. Hindi, ano nga yung akar?
Sorry?
Remember you ordered may nasi goreng the other day on the beach. What's akar?
What's akar? What's akar? Huh?
Achar.
Cucumber.
Akar is cucumber.
Carrot.
Okay. It's cucumber pala, akar. Okay. So, yan, nag-order na si Ma'am Berna.
And then pineapple pancake.
One pineapple pancake.
Yes. And for you have fresh orange juice.
Yes,
Fresh orange juice and one cappuccino.
One cappuccino.
But don't serve first. Later. Orange juice first.
Yes.
After breakfast, the cappuccino.
With dessert? You come
Yes.
with dessert for the coffee?
Dessert?
Oh,
Yeah, for the
may dessert?
pineapple pancake.
Yes, pineapple.
Together.
With the coffee. Yes.
Okay.
Correct. Yes.
Okay, my turn. I will have eggs Florentine.
One egg Florentine.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, what are their
Pineapple.
choices?
What do you want? What juice? Fresh juice.
Oh, what's a good juice?
Orange juice.
Oh,
Okay.
Orange juice yung sa'yo?
Oh,
Okay.
watermelon.
Yeah, pineapple?
Pineapple.
Okay, pineapple.
Fresh pineapple juice.
Fresh pineapple
And
juice.
what kind of coffee you want?
Oh, you have espresso?
Yes.
Double espresso.
Double espresso.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
And then he'll have the sliced tropical fruits.
One
The
slice
sliced
tropical
fruits.
fruit,
Okay.
Yeah. And then one vanilla and cinnamon French toast.
one sterilized banana.
Okay, I'll take a look at the view again, huh? While we're waiting for the food. Oh, ganda talaga ng view dito sa Menjangan because we're in the forest.
Slice tropical
Ayan, no?
fruit,
Perfect view. So, our first time to have breakfast here because we've stayed 3 nights and most of our breakfasts are in the beach. But now we try this Bali Tower. Hey, good service. That's my pineapple
Pineapple for you?
and orange juice for my wife. Oh, is that fresh?
Yes, fresh.
Okay, not coming from the can, really fresh, Okay. Mukha naman siyang fresh. Kasi pag nasa can, they put sugar. Okay. So, thank you,
You're welcome.
Okay. Ayan na yung ating breakfast. Mabilis, bakery lang pala. Tinapay pa lang ang binibigay niya. Tinapay pa lang, okay.
No monkey here.
Itong fruits ko. Ganda ng bread binigay, The food.
Thank you.
That's, ano yan? Mi goreng. Masarap naman yung mi goreng niya.
Florentine,
Oh, eggs Florentine. Okay.
Please enjoy.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so ito yung tinikman ni Berna kahapon eggs Florentine. Mukha naman masarap. Masarap yung mo mi goreng mo parang fried noodles. So we're going to enjoy breakfast with this view here at the Bali Tower.